any trading strategy is doomed to failure if we don't test it. We may have a trading strategy in our mind, but we don't know if it's gonna work or not. Back testing can answer this question. Hi, this is Majid Rahimi, and in this video we are going to learn about backtesting, and I will show you a free and easy way of backtesting our strategy. But before we start, don't forget to subscribe in this channel. Click on subscribe button and the notification bell under this video to get notified when I upload new videos. First, let's see what is backtest. Let's look at it simple. You have designed a trading strategy. You want to be sure about the performance and its probable results. You can trade with your strategy in past data. This is called backtest. Using past data to test your strategy to use it in the future. Why we use backtest? We can just simply trade in real time. Yes, you can trade in real time, but if you're going to test your strategy, for example, during 1 year, you should wait 1 year to know if your strategy is gonna work or not. And if the results was not what you have expected, you have lost 1 year of your life for nothing. This is why you can test your strategy in a few hours for more than 1 year. I think it's time to see how we can backtest our strategy, but be careful about the mistakes you may have while backtesting your strategy because it can mislead you and you may not get the same results in the future. I will talk about it at the last part of this video, so if you're going to do backtest, it's highly recommended to watch this video till the end. I want to introduce you a free and easy way to backtest your strategy. In this method, we will use Tradingview website and an Excel file which you can easily provide for your personal use depending on the strategy you are going to test. Let's see how it works. Well, this is Tradingview website. I have introduced you this website in my previous videos, and we have created a personal trading platform in this website. Now we want to use this website for backtesting our strategy. This chart is for AUD USD. As I said, we are going to backtest using Tradingview website and an Excel file. Let's see how we can use them. We have a tool in Tradingview website for going to past time. This tool is called bar replay. You can see it here. For using it, let me zoom out the chart. For example, we can start our backtest from early 2014. We click on bar replay, then put the line in 2014. You see that prices are in 2014 and it's like real market. Now we can trade in this chart with any strategy that we may have in mind and record the results as we are trading in real time. For opening a position, we can use this tool in Tradingview. For example, we put a long position. We set the parameters, take profit, stop loss. Based on our strategy, let's go forward in time. We can see that our position is now closed in stop loss. Now we should fill out our sheet in Excel based on this information. I filled up the information of the position. We can continue our test with more positions. Let me show you an example of short position. SL and TP. Let's go forward in time. It has been closed in loss again, and we should fill out the sheet again with new information. We can have lots of information about the strategy test from this Excel file. We can calculate win rate and average risk to reward ratio and other related criterions. You should provide your Excel sheet depending on strategy you are going to test. We didn't test any strategy in this video. We were just learning how we can simulate real trading conditions in past data. Well, after all, is backtesting always give us true answer about the performance of our trading strategy? The answer is no. Some people say that backtest is useless, and when you use your system in future, the results will be different. Some of them are right because they have some mistakes in backtesting their systems. Let's see some of these common mistakes. At the first sight, it doesn't seem to be a mistake, but unfortunately it is. Some of traders use some indicators and some mechanical, mathematical based setups when they design their strategies. Then after backtesting, they see they do not have the favorable results and they change the parameters of system. For example, if they're using 9 and 18 moving averages, they change these two periods until they get what they want. This is one of the greatest and most dangerous mistakes can be made by someone. This is similar to changing the statistics with your hand. Even if you got the results in this way, you should backtest it again with completely different data, maybe using another market or another pair or maybe other period of time. If the result was alright again, without optimization, you can test your strategy in the present time. There are many traders who test their strategy without considering spread, commission, swap or any other fees on each trade depending on the market they're trading. Let's face this fact one time. Any results without considering these fees are useless. These results can mislead you. Any statistical result in backtesting strategy should have a minimum number of trades on it. Any number less than 13 is a place for doubt and test is not valid, no matter how long you have been testing your strategy. You would need at least 30 number of trades to be sure that the results are not because of your luck. This video has come to its end. If you enjoyed it, just click on the like button under this video, ask your question in the comments, and for supporting us, subscribe in this channel by clicking on subscribe button and the notification bell under this video. Thanks for watching, have a good time and bye.